Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Jasper for scalable blog content SEO, beginner guide step by step clearly. To get started with Jasper, visit the official Jasper website. Look for the Get Started button on the homepage. Click on that button to begin the registration process. You will be prompted to enter your email address. Choose a strong password for your account. Make sure to read the terms and conditions. If you agree, check the box to accept them. Now, click on the Sign Up button. You may receive a confirmation email. Open your email and look for the Jasper confirmation message. Click on the link provided in the email to verify your account. Once verified, return to the Jasper website. Log in using your email and the password you created. You will be taken to the Jasper dashboard. Explore the dashboard to familiarize yourself with the interface. Next, click on Create New Project to start writing your blog content. Choose the type of content you want to create. Select the blog post option from the list. Enter a title for your blog post in the designated field. Now, start outlining your post by adding your main ideas. You can utilize Jasper's templates for structured writing. Make sure to input keywords relevant to your blog topic. This will help optimize your content for SEO. Once you've outlined your ideas, click on the Generate button. Jasper will start creating your content based on your inputs. Review the generated content closely. Make any necessary edits to tailor it to your style. Add headings, subheadings, and images as needed. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.